How to hide connections on LinkedIn. Step 1. Locate the thumbnail of your profile picture. This square icon is found at the very top, right corner of the page. It is located to the right of the search bar, message icon, notification icon, and Grow My Network icon. Step 2. Hover over the icon of your profile picture to launch a drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Manage next to Privacy and Settings. Step 4. Select the Privacy tab. It is located below the top banner, in between the Account and Communications tabs. Step 5. Click Who can see your connections. It is the second option from the top of the list. Step 6. Click on Your Connections and locate the drop-down menu in this section. Your Connections is the default option. When selected, only your first-degree connections may view your contacts. Those who you are not connected with do not have access to this list. Step 7. Choose Only You. Selecting this option prevents your first-degree connections from viewing your full contact list. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.